Welcome to another math tutorial video. In this video, we'll be focusing on factorizing the equation 4x squared minus 1. Factorizing is the process of breaking down an equation into its simplest terms. By the end of this video, you'll be able to confidently factorize this equation on your own. So let's dive in and get started. Step 1. To begin factorizing the equation 4x squared minus 1, we should first recognize that the given expression is a difference of squares. The difference of squares formula is a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. Here, 4x squared is the square of 2x and 1 is the square of 1. Therefore, we can rewrite 4x squared minus 1 as 2x squared minus 1 squared. Step 2. We proceed to apply the difference of squares formula to the expression rewritten in the previous step. Recall that the formula states that a squared minus b squared equals a plus b times a minus b. In our case, the expression 2x squared minus 1 squared can be expressed in this form. Here, a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 1. Therefore, substituting these values into the formula, we get 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1, since there are no further simplifications needed. This is the final step. The factorized form of the equation 4x squared minus 1 is 2x plus 1 times 2x minus 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.